Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm just trying to squeak this kit in under the wire here before the year ends, and here's a few pictures of the inspiration that I'm using for this build. Stay tuned and I'll show you how I did it. Quick progress report. I've got the car in the paint booth here. I've done the interior in gold and brown for the base there, and fawn for the seats and door panels. A bit of two-tone with some of the gold and brown there on the door panels as well. And I've got those sealed up with mop and shine. Really totally awesome mop and shine. A little bit of detailing to do on the door panels and the dash. Get them ready to assemble. And I've got the car body now. It's ready to go into paint with the Craftsmart King's Gold Metallic. I'm about ready to start doing that. I'm back again. They're just snapping the interior into place. I've got the detail, the dash and everything detail painted, door panels and the console. It's so nice just having the panels just pop right in and not have to fight with them and not have to worry about scraping the paint or anything. So they went in really nice. I just did the dash there with some black paint and then Molotow chrome marker around the edges and a white pencil just to highlight the markings on the gauges there. So it's going together quite well. Well, I'm back again with the finished product here. I've got it all snapped together. It's a little difficult getting the chassis in. You have to slide the back part. Whoops! The back part here slides into a slot in the inside of the bumper. And then I couldn't get the front in right until I put the two screws there and screwed it in. That brought everything into alignment. Just had to stretch the rocker panels a little bit to get the chassis inside there. Put the two screws in. So it looks pretty good there. Tires roll. The gold paint came out really nice with the tan interior. I used the kit decals, or rather stickers. They're not really decals, they're stickers. They came out pretty good. I didn't use the flames, of course. Got those on there. And the license plate on the back. So it came out really nice. I did a couple of coats of Future airbrushed on and let it dry overnight. It's sealed up really nice, got a nice little shine on it, and ready to go on the shelf. It came out just like the reference pictures that I had. So thanks for following along, and I hope everyone has a healthy, happy new year. See you soon in the new year.